Are you ready to create an amazing AI video from scratch? Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. This is where your creative journey begins. Write your prompt carefully and ask ChatGPT to generate a complete story. Include details about the characters, their personalities, and the scenes you want in your video. Take your time here. This will set the foundation for everything. Step 2. Review the story ChatGPT created. Make sure the characters are clear, the scenes are exciting, and the plot flows smoothly. You can tweak any part of the story if you want to make it more dramatic or fun. Remember, a strong story makes a strong video. Step 3. Once the story is finalized, it's time to bring it to life with Grok AI. Take the first scene description from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok AI. Watch as your characters and scenes begin to take shape. The AI will generate the first video scene for you automatically.
Hi, I'll show you how to make listeners that you watch AI or words fictitious characters. Today, even if you're a beginner.
Step 4. Continue with the next scenes. Always use the same character descriptions from ChatGPT to ensure consistency across all scenes. Paste each scene prompt into Grok AI, generate the video, and save it. By the end, you will have a series of AI-generated scenes that follow your story perfectly. Step 5. Now it's time to give your story a voice. Open CapCut's text-to-speech feature. Copy your narration or story script and paste it into the tool. Select a voice that fits the style of your video. You can choose cinematic, storytelling, or energetic depending on your preference. Then generate the audio. Step 6. Listen to the generated audio carefully. Make sure it matches your story's pace and tone. If needed, break the script into smaller segments for better timing with each scene. Combine everything in a video editor. Import your Grok AI scenes and your CapCut audio.